Good day, YouTube. This is Jade Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on HCMC, Healthy Choices Management. Ticker HCMC, trades here over the counter. I've done a couple videos on this one. Did one about 2 days ago. It was supposed to have run up a little bit. I believe it did, but still not a whole lot. Kind of take a look here. Here's a little bit of a spike on the 3rd. So it went from 0.002 to 0.003, and now it's back down to 0.002. I've covered this one a couple times. The big catalyst is a lawsuit with Philip Morris. This HCMC is in the Vapor's leading brand, Crave 51, quite a few different products, as well as electronic cigarette cartridges, vapes. You can find out more. I'll link some other videos in the description for you to look at. Kind of went over this a couple days ago. What HCMC stock investors are saying about the May 3rd $100 plan. So what the plan was, trying to get people to buy, or the idea was to buy $100 worth of stock. As you can see, soaring on Monday as investors in the penny stock celebrate the new holiday for the shares. So basically to buy $100 worth of shares and effort to squeeze out the shorts. So don't know if it's going to be sustainable in the long run, but we'll wait and see here. And then a lot of them put do not sell and hashtag HCMC Army. HCMC Day. And so I covered all this in my last video. I'll link that in the description as well. But here I come across some information. This is actually from yesterday, Cinco de Mayo, to the shareholders of record. HCMC today provided an informational update to stockholders regarding its proposed rights offering and the expected key dates and terms relative to the offering. Stockholders on record on May 18th. The record date will be entitled to participate in the rights offering. Prospective stockholders who wish to participate in the rights offering are advised to ensure that they complete their open market purchases of HCMC stock by May 14th to be considered a stockholder of record on the record date. Under the proposed, the HCMC will distribute one non-transferable subscription right for each 4 shares of common stock held by a stockholder on the record date of May 18. Each subscription right will entitle the holder to purchase one share of HCMC stock at a subscription price equal to 75% of the total weighted average. And so definitely information to consider. Feel free to pause and go over the rest here for yourself. So if you're in this one, you might want to put those dates on your calendar. Subscription rights will be non-transferable and may only be exercised during the anticipated subscription period of May 19th through 5 p.m. Eastern on June 3rd, unless extended by HCMC. So this is the ownership, May 14th, May 18th, the record date, the distribution date, May 19th, and the subscription date of June 3rd. Holders who exercise their subscription rights in full will be entitled, if available, to subscribe to additional units that are not purchased by other stockholders on the pro rata basis and subject to ownership limitations. This is referred to as oversubscription right. This goes on to talk about a little bit more about HCMC. So they're a holding company focused on providing consumers with healthier daily choices with respect to nutrition and other lifestyle alternatives. So it goes over the e-liquids, vaporizers, related products, Ada's Natural Market, natural organic grocery store, bulk foods, vitamins, and supplements. Over here to Reddit, see if they have any juicy details here for us in the last 5 days. Nope. Yuck foo. Discussion board, nothing there. Big ballers started to buy and biggest amounts of shares and see who can hold the longest. So there's still a lot of bulls in this one, still holding. I think they're still holding out for the lawsuit to go through. I haven't heard any more information about that. Discount share offering at 25%. But I haven't heard any more information about the lawsuit. When I do, I'll try to keep you updated. Mama cheat. That reminds me of a lady. There's a lady that used to do that on YouTube. I can't remember her name though, but red bloodbath, nonsense. Dollar have faith. Not leaving, so still a lot of bulls in this one. So we'll see. I still have my shares. I haven't parted with them yet. I haven't looked at them lately either. I think I'm a little bit maybe in the red. I think about a 0.002 is about my cost basis. So I'm just break even or slightly in the red on this one. But if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments. And if you bought any recently, list that in the comments as well. And if you have any other info on this one that could help us all out, that would be helpful as well. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me as well as subscribing. That would really help with the channel. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.